Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete all mails in Gmail and Android phone. To get started, open the Chrome app on your Android device. Then, to switch to the desktop version, tap the 3 vertical dots icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Next, find and activate the Desktop Site option. Now we are going to go to the top Applications menu and click on Gmail, which will open in desktop mode. Next, go to the inbox or folder that contains the emails you want to delete. Here, select the emails you want to delete. To do this, check the multiple selection box that normally checks up to 50 items. So that all of them are selected, we scroll and we will see the option to select the total number of emails there are and click on it. After that, find and click the Delete button at the top of the screen. Confirm deletion of the selected emails with OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, we will see that all our emails have been deleted at once. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.